A circle in the xy plane has this equation. Which of the following points does not lie in the interior of that circle? While there are formulas we could use to solve this question, not really formulas, but just plug and chug, which means take each answer, plug it into this and see if it's less than, equal to, or greater than. I think the quickest way to do this question is using Desmos, which I've already done that. I would plug in this equation in Desmos, and then I would enter like these points as several of the options in Desmos as well. So let me show you what that means. This is that question, the question from above in Desmos right here. You see the equation typed in right there, and then I entered each of the answer choices as a point. These are the four points. Clearly, D would be the answer to this question because it's outside of the circle. All the other ones are inside. Okay, but if you are curious on how to do this without Desmos, there are three scenarios. When you plug in these values for X and Y, each one of them, if it falls, if the left side is less than the right side, so let's say left is less than the right, what if the left equals the right, and what if the left is greater than the right side? Each of these means something. So let's actually plug in 0, 0 as a quick example. If you plugged in 0, 0, we would have 0 here and 0 here. So 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 squared is 9, right? And then 0 minus 1 is -1, -1 squared is 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. You would see that 10 is less than 25. What does that mean? That means if the left is less than the right, it means it's inside of the circle. If it equals, the left equals the right side, it means it's on the circle, like on the actual circumference. And if the left side is bigger than the right side, it means it's outside, which is why the answer to this question is D. If you plugged in D for X and Y, you would have 3 plus 3, which is a 9. 9 squared is 81. It's already bigger. And then plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So you would have 85 is bigger than 25. Yeah, that means D is the answer. So you have the manual way of doing this, and you have the Desmos way. Because time is a factor in this, I would of course use the Desmos method. But at least you know both methods now. Boom shakalaka.